Boom. Samara ever paint. Okay, what's my game lagging? Up. Good cover and hook. Up. Yellow team, I'm coming for you. Red team is I'm not defeated. So I'm still in the red team. Bomb at bomb. Bomb, yeah. Bomb! Ever okay? Not the white here, but that's fine. And I'm doing this here. Bomb, boom, up. Did I get fun off? Now I have to reset my character. I got thrown off. I don't know how. I mean, like, we are attacking under. Oh, under. What? Oh. Okay, now I'm in the other team, so that means I won the game, right? I'm gonna attack. On the red. On the red. Attack the red. Red team. What am I seeing? Okay, I put off the map, but hopefully he got destroyed. I mean, the other team actually get destroyed the most. Blue team is sitting like fine. What time to have an attack of blue? You coming for your base. Ah! How did I die? Do I have a two in my team? Because that would be not nice. Okay, he's got throwing. Now, time to destroy the blue base and now grab blue there. Okay, what? Okay, no, I'm not good. Okay, he missed. He missed. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Boom. Box, and now explode. Yeah, one way for me. One way for me. Then a bomb. Bomb right there. Where would I do a bomb under? Right there. No explosion. Okay. Got one hook. Yeah, do that. Oh, he has a big gun. A big gun! Oh. Never mind. Now I'm stuck on it. Never mind. I think I can make this up. Wow. Please. Beautiful mistake. Okay, I'm gonna start destroying my base. And the bubble. Ah! No. How much times am I gonna keep going down? Green team, I'm talking you. First I have to just go up. Pick up. Okay, green team is getting destroyed, but I'm destroying it more. Oh man, by me. Okay, blue, I mean green. Boom. Boom! Who explosion at once? Nature wins and now point to win. Okay, I'm just destroying the green team space at this moment. Oh! So you're telling me I got thrown off for the 5th time. Now, okay, I'm gonna target you. Boom. I'm in the engine. Number engine, now destroy pin. Attack red team's base, front destroyed. Front getting destroyed. You. Okay. On him. On the attack. Attack you. Okay. Can I sneak attack? Hopefully this guy doesn't see me. Never mind! Come on, one more time! Well, I just start again.